Woke up so early, 6 o'clock in the morning, brushing teeth, getting ready for the match. How are you feeling? That nervous? Make sure you wash your face too. Yep. Stevens. What's up, Mila? He's sleeping. He doesn't have a match so early. But he will wake up soon too. And the coach, Eric Stevens. Yeah, I'm ready.
Enjoy yourself. Cook 'em.
Phoenix nervous, you know? See, Phoenix nervous bad.
But don't call on them for kidding. Have fun.
Yeah. Have some fun, right? Enjoy yourself. Try your best, yes.
They've been here before.
Yeah.
They've been here before. They've done it already.
Yeah, guys.
We're gonna cook them.
That's it. That is it.
Cook with the sauce, man. Put this one in the mouth. Cook with the sauce, man.
Try it already. 6 o'clock in the morning. Rita is awake.
And she still has her teddy. She's nervous.
She bought her mermaid and she loves it.
That looks like.
Does she pick it enough? Alright. Hey. Morning.
Push me. Sama.
Let's go stand up in a one bulk. Stand up in a one space, guys. Don't run around. Boys, move from the door.
And you try 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Oh, guys, nervous for the boys now. Mila, come to it.
Straight fired.
Bop. Yes, guys, teams are warming up. They're getting ready for the game. Parents are gathering down there. Our opposite team parents, and we are here.
Like you send it down in line, man. Down in line. Yeah, man. Our ball.
Where did we go, Phoenix? Alright, let's go. Look alive.
Wrong time.
Oi! Guys, first match, we are the winners, you know? Yeah! Man, pleasant! Bop! Yeah! Hey! McDonald's ambassador from Jamaica, Daniel Stevens. Hey, McDonald's have to give sponsorship the way you love them. What you got here?
Happy Meal.
Happy Meal, okay. What else? Oh, you have your own French fries. So left my French fries there, man. Yum your food. Yeah.
So what kind of toy did we get? What kind of toy did we get? What kind of toy? Oh, you got this. I got it. From I see it in the box. I think it's nice. Oh, it does. That's what Cameron get right on the box. That's what you're getting. That's a picture. Now what is this? I know it. Worst person. Wait, what? Is it the best one? Yay.
Oh god. Some nuggets. See ya. Drink. Yeah.
I think we can hide.
Guys, Mila fell asleep. Days too draining. So we head into the second game. We just had lunch and we are going to play our second game. Yes, Danny? Are you ready for the second round? You're playing with Barca, right? The Barca club?
Yes.
American Barca club. Yeah, you guys need to keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yeah, true.
Thank you. That will beat the first team.
I gotta beat them.
Maybe them 8-4.
Oh.
Them all score. They mean
0. Them score 0.
0.
5-4. We won. Sa Barca Academy. Won them. We beat them. What? So it's a 4-4, right? Yeah? 4-4. No, you're 4-4. We are go to Walmart. See how Danny dressed in pajama. Danny say I'm American, you know. Nah, come back. He's staying in Florida. See police there, no? Oh, there's always police near Walmart. Ice, yeah. You better return to your homeland, NASA. Come, give me a hand, Danny. No, the security. Security. Yeah, we go Walmart, guys. Walmart. Shopping. See the flag.
It's kind of better than Walmart.
Yeah, I know you like Target better because it looks prettier inside. Walmart just raw. Hi! Yeah, big up yourself! See that's what I was saying, guys. Yeah, feel like I'm in Jamaica midday. We are still in Jamaica. Yeah. Walmart. No, Leo, come. Let's go. Leo, move. Come. Welcome. Oh, a trainer. Yeah, you have to get the Charlie. You get the Charlie? Alright. We need to get one of those. Even Charlie's them. Huge. Huge Charlie. Everything huge. At Jamaica you can find smaller Charlie. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for a smaller Charlie, but big Charlie. And some Sandrine. Ooh, it's cold here. Come, man. You can push. Watch out. Okay. All right. Harold, want some Sandrine? Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Strawberry, guys. Ooh, white strawberries. What is this? Any color you want? Which color to pick? Yeah, this is like white strawberry.
Oh wait, it's just silicone.
Maybe it's not ready to eat. No, it's ripe and ready. It's just white. I guess they come in different colors. Okay. Alright. I'm taking this one. Come on. Harold, we're good. It's okay. Or take one more.
Mama,
Well, one more? Oh, yeah. All right. All right, this one looks better. All right, guys, we're good to go.
Mama, could we get tambourine?
Oh, tangerine. Okay, sure. Era tangerine. Yeah. Somebody want grape? All right. Watch it, Charlie. Grape. How it tastes? Good? It tastes good? I know you. I know it tastes good. So I need to take some grape. Oh, those are underwear. Those are boxer briefs. Oh yeah, let's check out for true. This is a clearance section. Boys leading us to it. Come. Like Pixel. Oh, see, diving masks. See? Oh, junior 6+ diving kit. No, who can't go on plane because they might go confiscate it. It's like a weapon. It can be a weapon. It can probably go under the plane.
This okay?
Yeah, I don't think it can go on. Hey, your hobby is expensive in our fishing. That's why fish expensive. The tools them expensive to catch fish. I think. Well, try them. Throw them. You have to throw it away.
Daddy, let's go to the raft.
But you go fishing?
Daddy, I want.
Yeah, but you can't take it on the plane. Yeah, you only can travel size on the plane. Yeah, that's what you use. Let's see. Said it. That smells good. Which one? V-Day plush. Everything is gone. Like people buy out Valentine's stuff. Даня, иди сюда. Даня, отъедь назад. Daniel. Okay. Cool. Where are they going, Errol? Daniel, вы куда пошли? Oh, they want Kinder. Давай быстрее, бери и пойдем. Guys, we're done shopping. Little shopping turned into this. Hello. Guys, Ronaldo team reached a semi-final. Yes, so today, right now we're gonna play to go to the final. Yeah, so it's our semi-finals. The weather changed. Look at the sky, look at the clouds. It's so chilly. It's even cold, I can say. Not so cold, but yeah, smoothie weather is moody and it's rainy. Bismillah.
Enjoy the ride.
Yeah, so boys came to cheer for the team. So we're going over that side. Coach is only over that side. I don't lie, they need to provide some tents because, like, as a foreign team, it's not easy to travel with your own tent, and yeah, renting is just another set of expenses. And for them, and I know, you know, if you put 2 tents from FIDEM competition, it wouldn't hurt them. Yeah, no rain.
Watch it.
Guys, we win. We are going to the finals. Yay, Danny! Hey, Danny! How you feeling? How you feeling? Good game? Alright. Danny! Danny!
We come to play. Excellence is our way. We come for the championship. More pleasant
Stop to eat. I run out of McDonald's because I can't take no more fast food. I take one poke bowl with salmon. I'm going to try it. Pray for me because it's a raw fish, you know. Ah. Guys, we're back at McDonald's. One more to go, guys. Yay!
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Ronaldo. Every time when Newton isn't training and when they do it, they mostly use it. So you can't say that.
But still try your best. Yeah?
So when
Try hard. Try your best. Guys, we don't have no tent at all though. See, we under the hot sun. No tent. And just a beat way. It's very hot, but yeah, the opposite team they from here, from Florida, so they have their own stuff. Set it up. Yeah, magical wagons like that. Travel with, put everything on the need. That's how it goes. How it goes, guys. Guys, we lost to that team. Everybody I cry. Everybody I cry. But them fight still. They fight.
Please help me welcome your U9 Mount Pleasant.